Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. So we look at Kelantan paper 1 2020 question number 24. So the diagram shows an object placed in front of a convex mirror. So this is the object and then the object is placed in front of the convex mirror. Look at the question. So which of the following is correct about the characteristic of the image produced? So look at the answer. So they have 4 answers. Okay, so which one is the best answer? Okay, so A, magnified inverted real. B, magnified upright virtual. C, diminished upright virtual. D, diminished inverted real. Now, so this will be quite easy if you can memorize it. For the image formed by the convex mirror, the characteristic of the image formed by the convex mirror will be all the time the same. No matter where is the position of the object, the characteristic of the image will be always the same for a convex mirror. So what is the characteristic? You memorize this. DUV. D-U-V. So DUV stand for D, diminish. Diminish, maksudnya lebih kecil lah. Diminish, and then U for upright, tegak, upright, and then V for virtual. Virtual means maya. Okay, maya. Virtual means the image cannot be formed on screen. Okay, now, so remember this, DUV. D-U-V. For the convex mirror, the image form will be always the same, have same characteristic, which is DUV, diminished upright virtual. So look at the answer. Where is DUV? Okay, C, right? Diminished upright virtual. Okay, diperkecil, kecil, tegak, maya, right? Now, how to draw the ray diagram? Drawing ray diagram is very important. Okay, so when we draw ray diagram, we need to have 2 rays, dua sinar. Okay, come. So when you draw the ray diagram, cikgu cuba besarkan. Now, the first ray, okay, you draw parallel with the principal axis. Where is the principal axis? This line. This line. This line is the principal axis. So this one is the principal axis. So you draw one ray selari parallel with the principal axis. So this parallel ray from the head of the object to the mirror will be reflected as if from the focal point. So what you do, you put a ruler joining this point, okay, joining this point, and the focal point. Okay, so cikgu padam sekejap lah this one. So it means that here, use ruler, you draw dotted line, behind the mirror always dotted line, then the real light will be this. Like that. Okay, so means that the light from the head of the object parallel with the principal axis will be reflected as if come from the focal point behind the mirror. So this is the first ray. So maksudnya, if let's say drawing ray diagram, so this will be your first mark, markah pertama. Okay, your second mark will be the second ray. Okay, I change color. So the second mark, okay, the second ray you draw from the head of the object to the center of curvature here. Okay, you put a ruler at this point, and the head. So behind, in front of the mirror, garis lurus, solid line, like that. Bukan putus-putus. Di belakang mirror, then you draw putus-putus. Alah, my diagram is not good. Okay. Mengeluh cikgu. You all try your best. Alright, so here, this one should be solid line. Di belakang, you draw dotted line. Straight to the center of curvature. Now, this ray, it go to the mirror and then dipantul balik along the same path. Maksudnya dipantul balik dalam line yang sama, sinar yang sama. This one just now should be like that. Now, if you lengthen this, panjangkan, kan dipantul, right? Like that. And you lengthen the purple ray, like that. Will these two rays intercept or not? No, right? It will not intercept. So, if like that, you look at behind here. Can see here, this part? Kan ada persilangan. This is the position of the image. Okay, so we draw like this. Selalunya we use dotted line because the image now is behind the mirror. It is virtual. Okay, alright, so now you see the image is formed behind the mirror here. This part, this is the image. Okay, so this image obvious behind the mirror means virtual. And then you also can see it is upright. Upright. And then the size is smaller compared to the object. So this is diminished. Okay, boleh faham? Okay, always diminish, upright, virtual. Boleh So cara lukis sekali lagi. So cikgu, I better use this, right? So the first can see this. So the first ray just now is from the head of the object parallel with the principal axis and then dipantul like that. As if it come from F. Okay, so that is the first mark. The second ray from the head of the object to, can see here, center of curvature. Tapi behind here use dotted line. And then any ray that go to the center of curvature, it will be reflected along the same path. Maksudnya pergerakan cahaya will be from the head of the object to this point and then reflected back. Like that. So if you lengthen the first ray and the second ray, they will not intercept. So that's why you need to search behind here. Ada nampak persilangan. This is the position of the image. So in terms of giving mark, marker, so the first mark already given here. Second mark is this, second ray. And then the image will be the third mark. Okay, boleh faham? So hopefully you can understand that. I can redraw again the diagram down here. Okay, to make it clear for you. Sekali lagi, maybe just now the diagram quite small. So katakan cikgu buat like this. Alright, so this is the object. And then let's say this is F. And then let's say this is C. Okay, tukar warna. Okay, parallel with the principal axis and then reflected as if from the focal point. So this is the first mark. Then the second mark will be from the head of the object to the center of curvature. Like that. Behind should be dotted line. Okay. And then this ray will be reflected along the same path. Okay, so this is your second mark. Now can see the intercept. So the intercept is where the image form. Here, this part. This one got intercept, right? So this is the image form. Normally we use dotted line to represent this image because this is virtual image. Okay, so virtual. Boleh nampak tegak, upright, and then lebih kecil compared to the object. Okay, so this is the image. So the image will be mark number 3. Okay, so hopefully you can understand this. Alright, so please comment below if you have any question or you have any topic that you want me to do some video. Just post below. Alright, okay, so see you in next video. Okay, bye bye.